Have you been wondering if there's an AI tool that can create videos, images, and also edit your content like CapCut all in one place? Here I bring to you FlexClip AI, a platform that can create and edit your videos without stress. Welcome to my channel. I am Queen and I'll be your coach. Take a good look at this sample image video that I created using FlexClip AI. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that other people can get to know us. Your support is highly regarded in this channel. Now, let me show you how I made this content using FlexClip. So today we are going to use FlexClip AI. The link to this FlexClip is there in the description box. Use the link on the description box to come to this FlexClip. So over here now, let's create those images using text to image. So you can come over here in the text in the tools and look for the tools that you want to use. You can see the AI tools. Come over to the AI tools. So we'll go to images and let's use text to image. So we'll use on text to image here. So right over here now, you can see where to start with. Here is where you are going to start with. And they have different models. So we are going to try the same prompt on 4 different models. Let's first of all use this floss to create the first image. This is the same prompt I use. So I drop it over here on the prompt. Here you can choose your style. You can decide to change the style or choose the style that you want, but let's leave it in cinematic. Now here you choose the aspect ratio. Let's use 16:9 because of the tutorial. Then how many images we want, let's just leave it in 1. So the next thing you do here now is to hit on generate. You can see it costs only 1 credit to generate the image. So we send it, and over here is trying to generate the images for us. Now you see the first image. Look at the way it is. Let's click on it and see. You can see how beautiful it is. This is Floss image generator. Okay, so you can click on this download button here to download it. Now let's move over to another. Let's change the another model. They use Nano Banana. Let's generate the same image using Nano Banana Pro. So we'll choose Nano Banana Pro, and every other thing remain as it is. Our aspect ratio, let's still leave it in 16:9. But on Nano Banana, the credit costs you 10 credit to generate. So over here now, it's generating it for us using Nano Banana. So I would like you to compare the 4 models that we are about to use. So you write in the comment section which of the model that is better and suitable for us to use. Look at the same image on Nano Banana Pro. This is the same ice cream on Nano Banana Pro. You can see how it is. So let's download this one as well. Now let's still use the same image, the same prompt. Let's check the third one. Let's try it in Kling AI. Let's generate the same image using Kling AI. So we'll come over here and choose our aspect ratio is still on 16:9. Now we are using the model is Kling AI. We generate. So look at the image of Kling AI. You can see the same prompt. Look at the ice cream on the Kling AI. You can see how beautiful this one is. So here over here now, still download it. So the last one we'll be trying out will be, so let's use Google Imaging Fast to generate another one. So you can see it here over here too. You see the quality of Google Imaging. So we'll download. Now you can see each of them, how much each of them cost in their credit. Now let's bring out every one of them. Now let's go back to the home page. So over here to the home page, now let's join all those images together by clicking on create. You choose your aspect ratio, so it will come up this way. Just go to your media and bring in go to cloud and pick those images that we just downloaded now, or since they are not there, you just click on upload file to pick those images from there, because this AI had the capacity to, after generating for you, it can as well make all your content. You can do all the finishing inside this particular place. So these are the images here. I open it. You can see every one of them here. So you can start to drop them by clicking on the plus. You can see the last one. So you can see every one of them here. This AI has the capacity to create the image, create the video, whatever anything. You can now decide to clip all your content together. You can see every one of them, they are coming out. The good part is that you can as well add transition. You can add transition to this by clicking on this place here and look at the side how the transition will come up. You can see the transitions here. There are still free ones that you can use. You can see that one. Tick another one, then you pick another one. So let's play the video and see now. You can as well decide to reduce the speed. So let's play it and see. Can see that now. You notice that there is no sound, and that's because it's an image. So you can easily add sound from here by clicking on this plate that they write add sound. You can click on add sound. So if you have sound already that you generated using AI, fine. If you don't have, you can easily come right still over here in this place. You can add the sound by your directly from this place. So you come over here, they have audio. You come to audio, you can generate your audio by yourself by using their music AI. So to add the music directly from this AI, you go to AI tools here, you click on this AI tools. You can now choose either a text to speech or music generator or sound effect. So let's use music generator. You say over here you can describe how you want your music to be. Let's just say soft background music. Then we generate. You can see here the music is generating for you. So now our music is ready. Let's listen to it. So you can see that the music came out very perfectly and very beautiful. This is an AI generated music, so it's copyright free. So once you are done and you like the music, what you do here is to hit on download. So now it has downloaded it successfully. So the next thing you do to use it to put it inside that content we are making, you click on these three dots here and click on select. So when you click select, to come up here and just say add to me there. Just say add it to me there. So when you add it to me there, it will come up this way. So you close it over here. So you click on add audio now. Then look at that audio we downloaded. You can see it right here. It's right here now in the content. So let's click play and listen to it. You can see how beautiful the thing came out. You can see how you are able now to create our content from beginning to the end using FlexClip. So this is just a little of what FlexClip can do. So let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this AI app called FlexClip. So don't forget the FlexClip is right there in the description box, and you can get a 20% discount when you log in with FlexClip using my code or using my link. Don't forget that. So when you are done and you are okay, you can as well add effects on this particular content. You can decide to add effect on it. So let's pick this one here and let's choose another effect, a video effect. So you scroll down from this media art, you see effects. So you can as well add video effects to this. Okay, you can see all these ones. So let's say we'll add effects to that. Let's add this effect. So let's play just by clicking on the effect, it will appear. You see that. So let's expand this picture small so that the effect will come out well. So let's choose the second one. Let's add another effect. Let's play this one. Let's see how this one is. Expand it a little. This one, expand it a little and expand a little. So let's play every one of them and see what we have added again. You can see how wonderful the FlexClip is. So let's save our content. So if you are done with this and you are okay with what you created, the next thing to do here to save your content is come over to this place and you hit export. Let's hit export. So on the export now, it's asking you, are you exporting it as a video, as a GIF, or as an audio? Now these are the resolutions. So you can leave it on 1080p or you can leave it on 720p. So let's take 1080p. Yeah, the quality, let's leave it in recommended quality. Now you hit export. You can see our content is exporting. It's just like CapCut. You can do everything you want to do on this flex clip. You can create your video directly from here and clip all your content together, edit your video and make it look more beautiful and attractive. So let me know if you be using FlexClip on the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to share this content. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because your support is highly appreciated in this platform. Let's play it.